is a possum. Do you know what a possum is? If you don't, I'll put a possum up on the screen in 3, 2, 1. And that's a possum for you. Am I right? They play possum, which is also playing dead. I guess I like playing dead now. Well, see you next video.